Hey guys, conditioning workout for the day is an AMRAP 10. 24 good mornings, 24 air squats, and 24 sit-ups. You're gonna do as many rounds of that as possible in 10 minutes. In the good morning, you can use a barbell, PVC pipe, broomstick on your back, or you could even use a kettlebell or a dumbbell in the front hanging position. In this movement, so we're gonna send the hips backwards, pivoting at the hips. Gonna try and keep a straight, flat back as you're sending your hips backwards. Your knees are not gonna be locked out, but your legs are gonna be relatively straight through this movement. It's predominantly hamstrings that are doing all the work here. Air squat, we want it to look just as if you were doing a front squat, heavy front squat. We don't wanna get relaxed. We wanna keep an upright posture, driving the knees out as you squat, knees out as you stand. Keep your chest up tall. That's the air squat. And sit-ups. You can use an ab mat if you have one. Maybe you roll up a towel underneath your back for a little bit of lumbar support. You can use your arms to help kip. We want to sit up tall where your back is about 90 degrees from the ground. So maybe that looks like your elbows are in line with your knee crease, or maybe you're touching the front of your toes or the floor just in front of your toes. And at the bottom of the sit-up, we want to be able to touch your shoulder blades to the ground. 24 good mornings, 24 air squats, and 24 sit-ups. As many rounds of that as possible in 10 minutes.